Hi friends, this is Ajay here, Class 12 Physics, Electrostatics. Today we are going to discuss about the important aspects of the electric field. In the previous class we have discussed about what is an electric field, and today we are going to discuss about the properties of the electric field. Now the first property is, if the charge q is positive, then the electric field points away from the source charge, and if q is negative, then the electric field points towards the source charge. And then the second point is, if the electric field at a point P is E, then the force experienced by the test charge Q naught placed at that point P is given by F vector is equal to Q naught into E vector. And another interesting fact about the electric field is that electric field is independent of the test charge Q naught, and it depends only upon the source charge Q. From this particular equation, we can infer that the electric field is independent of the test charge Q naught, and it depends only upon the source charge Q. And then, since the electric field is a vector quantity, at every point in space, this field has unique directions and magnitude. So let's consider this example. Positive charge is kept over here, and there are 3 points R, Q and P respectively, and they have different magnitude. Here the magnitude is a little bit longer, whereas here the magnitude is shorter. And then the test charge is made sufficiently small such that it will not modify the electric field of the source charge. And we are expecting an 2 mark question, which is nothing but what are the types of electric field. To be precise, there are two types of electric fields, namely uniform electric field and non-uniform electric field. Now, what is a uniform electric field? Uniform electric field will have the same magnitude and direction at all points in space. Here we are talking about magnitude and direction because it is a vector quantity. Whereas a non-uniform electric field can either have the same direction or a constant magnitude, or it will have different magnitudes or different points in different directions of space. The electric field created by a point charge is basically a non-uniform electric field. This non-uniformity arises both in direction and magnitude. Let us consider this particular diagram. In this diagram, the uniform electric field has same magnitude and same direction. You just look at this particular example. Whereas in the non-uniform magnetic field, here these two rows have the same magnitude and direction, but this particular one has different magnitude, same direction but different magnitude. And in this particular example, they have same magnitude but the directions are different. Here one is going here, another in the opposite direction, and so on. And in this particular example, both the magnitude and the direction are different. I hope you understood the properties of the electric field. If you have any doubts, please comment it below. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.